G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here, and today we are over the moon and we have a motorcycle here to take us there. This is the brand new Triumph Rocket 3 GT Triple Black machine. Now there are only 1,000 of these worldwide, so we cannot wait until we can see one of these in person. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw the lid off this crate, jump straight into it, and then get right into the specifications that this model has to offer. Alrighty, and there you have it. The Triumph Rocket 3 GT Triple Black machine is here. These are absolutely fantastic in person, and every time I have a look at one of these machines, it always mind boggles me in how they fit a 2,500cc engine into one of these bikes. Now, they are the largest production made engines in the world, and there is also only 1,000 of these out there at the moment. Now, we are going to jump into some of the specifications that these motorcycles offer and take a closer look at the absolutely stunning style of the Rocket 3 GT Triple Black. Triumph has stated that the unique style of the blacked out GT Triple Black brings a darker edge to the Rocket 3 range. Now, I definitely agree with this because the 3-shade paint scheme in the tank of this motorcycle is absolutely fantastic. Now, the paint scheme is a high-gloss 3-shade triple black premium painted fuel tank, which contrasts beautifully with a unique carbon fiber front mudguard and matte black finishes across the engine and chassis. The class-defining triple performance of the world's largest production motorcycle engine delivers record-breaking 221 Newton meters of torque with an unbelievable sound and all-new blacked-out detail. Now, this motorcycle is called the Triple Black, and that is for a very, very good reason. Now, some of the black touches include the headlight bezels, the exhaust system, the radiator cowls, and the rear wheel finisher with anodized rear frame forging, fork lowers, heel guards, and a crinkle powder coated intake cover. Now, Triumph has stated that each and every finish has been chosen specifically for its purpose. Built to withstand heat, stone chips, and weather, the paint shop's expert attention to detail results in a beautiful premium finish. Jumping on over to some of the dimensions and weights that this motorcycle has, the dry weight of this machine is 291 kilograms and the width of the handlebars is 889 millimeters. The height without the mirror is 1065 millimeters and the seat height is 773 millimeters. Now, on a personal note, if you are not a chrome fan, then this motorcycle is the bike for you. Now, as you can tell, it is blacked out in all capacity and it is absolutely fantastic. And with Triumph being Triumph, there are many more accessories that you can add to this motorcycle as well. You can personalize the styling of your Rocket 3 with custom accessories including sport mirrors, classic mirrors, and bullet-styled LED indicators with satin black body and turned aluminium bezel. The eloquent styling of this machine is absolutely stunning. Triumph has designed this machine from the cast aluminium front and rear wheels to the front dual Brembo 320mm discs and the single 300mm rear Brembo disc. All right, there you have it. I'm spinning around in excitement because the Triumph Rocket 3 GT Triple Black machine is here. And make sure you come and check them out at our Granville location on Parramatta Road for yourself. And you can also give one of our sales representatives a call. I will leave the number in the comments section. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles, and I'll see you at the store.
A vehicle to get us there.
That's a good one. I like that actually. G'day, G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. 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 And g'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. And all right, there you have it. All right, there you have it. I'm spinning around in excitement. All right, alrighty. All right. I put the books just on that crate there, Gatch. Why would you put it there? Yeah. Well, oh no, I can't say that. Bad boy. Okay. Yeah, I'll do one more. I'll get it.